What's going on, everybody? We're really lucky to have some amazing customers and get brought in some really cool vehicles to be entrusted with, and this is one of my favorites that's come through lately. It's a 1988 Toyota Land Cruiser that the customer has really taken a lot of time and effort to restore. It was in a little bit of an accident, and they replaced everything, got it all put back together, and found out that the frame had a little bit of a ladder in it, and that the driver's side frame rail is about a quarter inch back farther than the passenger side. We've got it in our truck saddles right now. We've actually got Robert underneath. And we got one pole set up on this rail. When you come around to the other side here, what makes the Blackjack so great for getting the diamond out of a frame, with our truck saddles, the way they're designed, it's an L bracket on top, and the frame actually sits in the bracket. And what that allows us to do is have movement in between the two rails. And how we decide which rail we want to move, we use our anchor block tie downs right here. Got those up into a frame. All this comes with your frame machine. And we're holding this passenger side rail so that when we pull on the driver's rail, all the energy goes where we're wanted. You can see Robert's down here. We've got our tram gauge. We know exactly how far it's got to go. So now let's go up here and put some pulls on it. And just to show how quick it is to set up a pull here, we've got this set up, right? This is how fast this would have gone. We'll even do it all the way. So now, here's your clamp. Somebody already put it on there. That clamp came right here off the tool board. It's got a spot for it. This ram is right here. All Robert did was come over to the machine, put the bottle in the socket, hook up this pump, get this chain. If we wanted to pull up, if we wanted to pull down farther, we can come down here and put it like that. We're looking for a straight pull, so we're going to come match the angle. We're going to lock our chain in. Already got our safety cable on here. And now, since we've got Robert under the car with the tram gauge, while I'm using the hydraulic pump, he can keep an eye on where we're at. So here we go. Hope to see you down there, Robert.
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, about a quarter inch now.
With just this one ram, we've got 11 tons of force available. We can also multiply that force by adding 2 more rams, but I don't think we're going to need to on this job.
Yeah, give her a little bit more. That's about it.
I hate to say the old cliche, it's just that simple, but it really is just that simple when you're using a Blackjack frame machine. If you've got the creativity to make the pull that you want to pull, this machine gives you that capability. And while I got you guys sitting here, I'm going to let off of this for a second, Robert. And I want to show how quick and easy. A lot of people ask, can it pull to the side or at an angle? Just as quickly as we set that up, we get our chain fork that comes with the machine. We move it over one socket. We take our chain, drop it through the frame machine, and we put our chain fork underneath. And just that fast, we're pulling at an angle. And as I showed earlier, same thing. If we wanted to pull up, we move the chain forward. Now we're pulling up. Just as quickly, we decide we want to pull down. But out to the side. Now here we are, down, just that fast. Our competition will sell you expensive measuring equipment. They'll tell you that they have lasers and all kinds of things that are going to help you fix the car. But in the end, none of those things are actual tools that you put your hands on that actually do fix the car. And that's what blackjacks do. They fix wrecked cars. They save time and they make you money. See you guys again next time.